The three stars in the south. The three stars in the south is a three-candle bullish reversal pattern that appears on a candlestick chart. It may appear after a decline and it signals that the bearishness is fading. The pattern is very rare. The three stars in the south candlestick pattern is a very rare pattern that doesn't typically precede large price movements. It is formed by three black or red down candles of decreasing size following a price decline. The pattern indicates a bullish reversal, although the price should ultimately move in the expected direction before taking a trade. This is called confirmation. The three star in the south is a bullish reversal pattern with the four characteristics. The market is in a downtrend. The first candle is black with a long real body, long lower shadow and no upper shadow. The second candle is black with a shorter real body and a higher low than the first candle low. The third candle is black with a short real body, no shadows and a close with it that's within the high-low range of the second candle.